preparation and properties of the nitrobenzene. In the nitrobenzene, the important property is the reduction of the nitrobenzene. The other properties are not much important. So one, preparation. In the last video we discussed about the preparatory procedures of the nitroalkanes and their properties. See, similarly, the nitrobenzene can be prepared from corresponding hydrocarbon, that is benzene. The first method and the last method of preparation is from benzene. This already we discussed about during the electrophilic substitution reactions of the aromatic compounds benzene. So that is from benzene nitration, introducing this. So for this reaction, that is and NO2 plus is an electrophilic substitution reaction. This is the nitronium ion. Is the electrophile, attacking electrophile. For this, we can best reagent is the concentrated HNO3 or fuming nitric acid plus concentrated H2SO4. Mixture is used. This provides the NO2 nitronium ion as the electrophile, bisulfate ion and water. This is protonating and acting as a dehydrating agent and helping in the formation of the nitronium ion. This is this one. Or you can use the fuming nitric acid, which is nothing but the concentrated HNO3 plus, that is nitrogen dioxide mixture. Nitric acid is prepared by dissolving the NO2 in water. That is the mixture HNO3 containing the excess of nitrogen dioxide is called as the fuming nitric acid. Or you can use the HNO3 concentrated or fuming nitric acid plus acetic acid. This is nothing but the here nitronium acetate is formed. This is the acetate ion. This is the NO2 plus nitronium acetate, which supplies the NO2 plus. That is and N2O5 nitrogen pentoxide, which is a mixture of NO2 plus and NO3 minus salt-like structure. That is the nitronium nitrate is the N2O5. That is nitronium fluoroborate NO2 plus, that is BF4 minus ion, nitric acid plus BF3, concentrated HNO3 plus BF3 boron trifluoride gives this nitronium. These are all the source for that is nitronium perchlorate NO2 plus CnO4 minus. These are all the source for the nitronium ion. See, now any one of the reagent, but commonly used reagent is, this is the more commonly used reagent, nitric acid in the presence of, that is and concentrated H2SO4, which helps in the formation of the nitronium ion, that is electrophile, which is required for the reaction. See, this depends on the products, depends on the benzene is treated with it's an electrophilic substitution reaction, treated with the concentrated HNO3 in the presence of concentrated H2SO4 around 60 degrees Celsius. See, here electrophilic substitution reaction takes place. Nitro group is introduced into the molecule plus H2O. This is the reaction. Now the question is, that is nitronium ion is generated as an electrophile that attacks on the double bond O plus. This is taking the pair of electrons and forming the sigma complex that NO2, this is plus, that is sigma complex, Wieland complex. This is the RDS of the reaction. Now this is minus H plus, that is aromaticity is restored and now it is this. Now substitution is taking place at the sp2 carbon. That is this is the case. So nitrobenzene is formed at 60 degrees Celsius. If the same, that is this is treated with the concentrated HNO3 plus H2SO4 mixture around 90 degrees, or that is 100 degrees Celsius. 100 degrees Celsius. Here, that is first nitrobenzene is formed and second nitro group is introduced at the meta position. Since the nitrobenzene is converted, further take part in the reaction, and that is the meta directing group, the meta position, the group is introduced. If the same benzene is treated with the concentrated HNO3 and H2SO4, concentrated H2SO4 around 120 degrees Celsius, that is trinitrobenzene is formed. Nitro metadinitrobenzene, further it takes part in the reaction and trinitrobenzene is formed. TMB, which is used as an explosive compound. So this is the chemistry related to that is formation of the nitrobenzene and other this thing. If you take the toluene, that is the methyl group is a ring activating group. It takes part in the electrophilic substitution reactions more readily. That is on warming, that is on room temperature reaction takes place. It gives the CH3, NO2 orthonitrotoluene and paranitrotoluene. Both are formed, ortho effects, that is percentage of the paranitrotoluene is more. See, this on treatment with the high temperature conditions, then what happens? 2,4,6 trinitrobenzene is formed, which is known as the toluene. So if the one nitro group is present in the ring and the other nitro group is introduced and only at the para position, other nitro group is introduced at the meta with respect to the nitro groups existing in the molecule, since the nitro group which is attached to the ring is a meta director and ring deactivator. You know the word, the language, that's the meta director, ring deactivator and all these things. This is the from benzene. The second one is that is from aniline. Preparation of the nitrobenzene from aniline. See, from nitrobenzene can be easily converted into the aniline. So aniline can be also reverted to the nitrobenzene. See, here oxidation of aniline. See, primary amine can be converted into the nitro compound by treating with the trifluoro oxidation, trifluoroperoxyacetic acid, or it can be prepared trifluoroacetic acid plus that is hydrogen peroxide mixture is called as this mixture is called as is equivalent to the trifluoroperoxyacetic acid. Right? So this is oxidizing, that is simply this is amino group is converted into the NO2 group. Is converted into the NO2, aniline to nitro group, or you can easily convert into this by treating with the alkaline or acidified KMNO4 solution. So that gives the amino group is oxidized to. This is, this is Sn plus HCl, Fe plus HCl, metal plus acid is converted to aniline. Aniline to again nitrobenzene. See, this is the second method of preparation of the nitrobenzene. See, the third thing is the third method of preparation is that is and from benzene diazonium salt. So from benzene diazonium salt, this is the benzene, aniline. This on treatment with the NaNO2 plus HCl, low temperature conditions, diazotization, that is aromatic primary amines undergo the diazotization and form the diazonium salt. This is formed. From this we can prepare there are 2-3 methods that directly by treating with the KNO2 potassium nitrite, that is nitrobenzene is formed. Or this is treated with the sodium nitrite or potassium, this is a well-known example. Or this is treated with the fluoroboric acid, BF3 plus HF mixture is nothing but the fluoroboric acid, hydrogen fluoroborate acid. Now a salt is formed. What salt? Diazonium ion is the cation, BF4 minus is the anion. Benzene diazonium fluoroborate is formed. This on heating with that is sodium nitrite or potassium nitrite, SN reaction. On heating, this is converted to the nitrobenzene. Or this on treatment with that is on strong heating, solid derivative. This is converted into the fluorobenzene that this is called as the Siemens reaction. So that is the only route, aniline to fluorobenzene, Siemens reaction. This is the only way to prepare the fluorobenzene, introducing the fluorine atom into the benzene ring. This is another method of this. So this is the case. See, if you have the benzene, you can prepare if you have the benzene, you can prepare that is nitrobenzene, right, by direct nitration, metadinitrobenzene by direct nitration. If you use the temperature, increase the temperature, and suppose if you take if you want to prepare that is the benzene 2 or benzene 2, that is this para-dinitrobenzene. This is nitrobenzene 2 para-dinitrobenzene or benzene 2 dinitrobenzene. Para, wrong relation. So how to prepare it? So this has to be converted into that is Sn plus HCl. It is converted into the aniline reduction. Now aniline undergoes oxidation in the presence of it is the OP director and ring activator. Reactivity is increased. Now treat with the acetic anhydride. This is converted into the acetonylide. Acetylation, N-acetylation is taking place. N-acetylation. Group protection. Group to be protected. This is also ring activator. But weak compared to this weak ring activator, very strong ring activator. Now carry out treat with the concentrated HNO3. Nitration is taking place due to para product is more because ortho effects. I need not tell again and again. Nitration is carried. This on hydrolysis. Deprotection, that is removed. Protecting group is removed. NH2. This is NO2. That is acetic acid is produced. Now this to be converted into this by treating with the trifluoroacetic acid plus hydrogen peroxide, which is an oxidizing agent which converts the primary amine into nitro compound. Now through this route we are able to prepare this. So this on direct nitration you get the metadinitro. So that is, this is the benzene to nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene to para-dinitrobenzene through this route. That is here, just by treating with the concentrated H2SO4, concentrated HNO3 plus H2SO4 around the 100 degrees Celsius, directly you get that is dinitrobenzene, that is 1,3-dinitro-metadinitrobenzene. This is para-dinitrobenzene. See, and this is the way of preparation of that is different ways of preparation of the nitrobenzene. The next one, properties. Among the properties of the nitrobenzene, the important property of the nitrobenzene is that is a reduction of the nitrobenzene. Reduction of the nitrobenzene. See, it is a yellow liquid, yellow oily liquid. Has the smell of bitter almonds. This is called as the oil of Merbain. Oil of Merbain. Some people write the word Mirabane. It has a bitter almond smell. And reduction of first property, reduction of nitrobenzene. This is the denser than the normally the organic liquids are immiscible with water. Their density is less. They float over the water. But nitrobenzene density is 1.2 grams per cc. Denser than immiscible with water and denser than water. Therefore, it forms the lower layer, not the upper layer. Water is the upper layer and nitrobenzene is the lower layer. Reduction of the nitrobenzene. See, nitrobenzene, this is the variety of the reduction products are formed. This is the nitrobenzene. Variety of the reduction products are formed. During the reduction, in the first step, it is converted into the nitrosobenzene. So, it's a nitrobenzene to nitrosobenzene. Nitrosobenzene further reduced to the hydroxylamine. Further addition of hydrogen, hydroxylamine. This is finally converted into this is NH2. Aniline is the ultimate reduction product. Nitrobenzene, nitrosobenzene. This is the nitrosobenzene. This is the phenyl hydroxylamine. This is the aniline. Nitrobenzene, nitrosobenzene, and phenyl hydroxylamine. This is the sequence. See, the what product is formed that purely depends on that is the nature of the reducing agent used. Where the reaction stops. So this to this. This is converted into this if it is treated with the iron and steam. Iron powder and steam. Nitrobenzene is reduced to the nitrosobenzene. Nitrosobenzene on oxidation gives the nitrobenzene. Just K-4 type. Nitrobenzene. And nitrobenzene changes into the hydroxylamine. Only hydroxylamine, no further reaction. Here, no further reaction. If it is treated with that is a neutral medium, zinc plus ammonium chloride, NH4Cl, ammonium chloride or zinc plus calcium chloride, neutral medium. So our third thing is the amalgamated aluminium. Amalgamated. Any one of these reagents are used, then it is converted into the hydroxylamine. No further reaction at all. Right? And this is converted into the nitrobenzene is converted into this one. These are in the same sequence they are formed. This is converted into this one. Sn plus HCl, Fe plus HCl, metal plus acid, and Zn plus HCl are hydrogen nickel hydrogen nickel. When these are used, that is Sn2 plus HCl, these are all converted into that is the metal plus acid plus whatever it is, that hydrogen nickel the reduction, this is converted into this. So that is the reaction of the nitrobenzene. This is a sequence of reaction. Let me write in detail. I am writing the different reduction reactions of the nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene. So 1. Reduction in acid medium. Here we use the catalytic reduction. So metal plus acid. Sn plus HCl, Zn plus HCl, Fe plus HCl, or this is not acid medium. This is catalytic reduction. Catalytic reduction. All these cases, what happens? That the nitrobenzene is converted to the aniline. Converted to aniline. But the concentration of the acid must be moderate. If you use the strong acid, you can take the Sn plus HCl, best reagent. That is moderate conditions. Hydrogen plus nickel, then it is converted to SnCl2 plus HCl, that is converted to the aniline. So it is converted into nitrosobenzene, hydroxylamine, phenyl hydroxylamine, then it is finally converted to the aniline. This is the first case. The second one is that is reduction with Fe plus T, iron plus T, neutral medium. So reduction in neutral medium. Let me write the neutral medium. Neutral medium. So here that is A, iron plus steel. If you use the iron powder and steam, it is reduced to the only nitrosobenzene, exclusively converted to the nitrosobenzene. Same that list I am writing again here. And the B is the same nitrobenzene is treated with the zinc plus ammonium chloride, NH4Cl, or that is aluminium amalgam, or zinc plus copper chloride. So slightly acidic medium, that is nitrobenzene is converted to the phenyl hydroxylamine. This is the case. You both come under the neutral medium. Now, in the C, that is basic medium, reduction in the basic medium. Reduction, third one is the reduction in the basic medium, alkaline medium. Reduction in alkaline medium, basic medium. Right? Alkaline medium. See, the products depends on the nature of the reducing agent used. You see, let me take this. This is the nitrobenzene. Treating with the different reducing agents in the basic medium. Here you can use that is ASO3, sodium arsenate plus sodium hydroxide. Sodium arsenate is used, or you can use the alkaline solution of glucose. Glucose is a reducing agent. If you use any one of this, then what happens here? In the basic media, binuclear compounds are formed. Azoxybenzene is formed. Azoxybenzene is formed. Here what happens during the reduction? Nitrosobenzene and hydroxylamine are forming as the intermediates. This is the sequence of reduction. This is the sequence of reduction. Sequence of reduction, nitrosobenzene, hydroxylamine. So therefore, in the alkali media, the nitrosobenzene and hydroxylamine intermediates are combining each other to form the binuclear compounds. Dinuclear complex are formed, azoxybenzene. If this is treated with the zinc plus methanolic sodium hydroxide or Na2SNO2 sodium stannite plus sodium hydroxide, alkaline sodium stannite or lithium aluminium hydride. Here lithium aluminium hydride, you see. If you use the one of these three reagents, then it is converted into azobenzene. Azobenzene is formed. Any one of lithium aluminum hydride. Normally lithium aluminum hydride aliphatic nitro compounds are reduced to the primary amine, whereas aromatic nitro compounds are converted into the azo compounds, azobenzene. Same thing if you treat with the, or you can use the here sodium amalgam or sodium amalgam. That is the lithium. This is the aluminium amalgam. This is the sodium amalgam. So that is converted into this form. And now if you treat with this on treatment with the zinc plus sodium hydroxide, aqueous zinc plus sodium hydroxide, then what happens? Complete reduction, that is hydrazobenzene is formed. This is hydrazobenzene. This is azoxybenzene. This is azobenzene. This is hydrazobenzene. So this is again converted into this on treatment with the sodium iodate, NaIO3. And this is converted into this on treatment with the CF3COOH. Oxidation that gives this. And this is again treatment with the iron. This is converted into this iron and steel. All the three are converted into, that is aniline. All the three are converted into aniline on treatment with the SnCl2 plus HCl. So this is the interconvertatory part of that is azoxybenzene, azobenzene and hydrazobenzene. So this is the reduction in the basic medium. These are the reducing agents used. And now the next thing is the fourth one is the reduction in electrolytic reduction. Electrolytic reduction. electrolytic reduction of nitrobenzene. See, nitrobenzene, normally what happens if it is treated with the acid media, that is nitrobenzene, so SNR whatever it is, this is converted into the aniline NH2 group. It is very simple. But this is possible if the acid of moderate concentration is used. If you use the very concentrated acid, instead of this it is converted into that is phenyl hydroxy. This is converted into that is para-aminophenol. Para-aminophenol, this is aniline. Moderate acid. This is a concentrated acid. That is the reduction leads to the formation of this. I told you that is during the reduction, what is the sequence of reduction? That is nitrobenzene. This is the reduced to the nitrosobenzene first. This is reduced to the further reduced to the hydroxylamine. This is further reduced to the that is aniline. This is the sequence of reaction. These are considered as the intermediates. In the alkali media, these intermediates are combining and forming that is azoxybenzene first case, azobenzene second case, and that is hydrazobenzene in the third case. Here in the electrolytic reduction, so the products depends on that is this is nitrobenzene is taken into a sulfuric acid bath, and that is the container which contains the sulfuric acid, and that is electrolysis is carried. Electrolysis in dilute H2SO4. Then the product is only dilute acid. Aniline is the dilute acid. Suppose if it is carried, electrolysis is carried in concentrated H2SO4 solution, this is taken into the concentrated H2SO4 solution. Then process is carried. Then what happens? This is converted into that is para-aminophenol is formed. This is the para-aminophenol is formed. Aminophenol is formed. See what happens? See, under high concentration conditions, this undergoes the rearrangement. Phenyl hydroxylamine undergoes the rearrangement to form the NH2 and OH. Para-aminophenol is formed. This is the case. Let me write the rearrangement of para-aminophenol. See what happens? The reduction takes place. Reduction takes place. The resulted product, phenyl hydroxylamine, is formed. The resulted phenyl hydroxylamine further undergoes that is rearrangement. See here, I am writing the phenyl hydroxylamine is formed there as an intermediate. This is H plus ion is protonated. OH2 protonated, this is last, minus H2O. This is converted into the NaH plus. This comes out, shows the plus M effect, ring shows the plus M effect. Now NaH right? NH, and that this is positive charge. Now this is NH. Now water is attacking on this. After attacking the water, that is introduce the OH group wherever water attacks, that is NH. This is converted into the double bond, double bond, double bond. This is NH minus, this is minus H plus, this is OH. That's all. This takes from water, it takes the H plus ion, or from acid, why should I take this one? H plus, that gives the NH2. This is, that's the OH. Rearrangement. Remember, para-aminophenol. Phenyl hydroxylamine undergoes rearrangement to give the para-aminophenol. This form. Therefore, if the concentration of the acid is very high, then what happens? Your product is para-aminophenol, which is used for the preparation of your paracetamol. If it is treated with the acetic anhydride or acetyl chloride, then what happens? NH2 is acetylated. This is OH. This is called as the paracetamol. Paracetamol is formed. Nitrobenzene to paracetamol. See, nitrobenzene. This is electrical reduction, electrolytic reduction in concentrated H2SO4. It should be a concentrated H2SO4. This is formed, that undergoes this one, and reaction is ended here. From that we can give this one. So, or else if I write that is electrolytic reduction in concentrated H2SO4, it gives the aminophenol. This aminophenol on treatment with the acetic anhydride gives the paracetamol. This is another route for the preparation of paracetamol. Crossing. See, simple method. So if it is that is hydroxylamine, which is formed as an intermediate during the reduction of the nitrobenzene, that is undergoing the rearrangement in the presence of the concentrated acid to give the para-aminophenol, is the product of the reaction. The next one is these are the reduction products of the. Here if you take this one, see normally the Tollens reagent, ammonical silver nitrate plus ammonia mixture. Tollens reagent, the silver oxide is the active component. This gives this is para-aminophenol. This is the para-aminophenol. This gives the positive Tollens test. When it is treated with the silver nitrate and ammonium hydroxide mixture, wrongly we write it as the Ag plus OH minus ion, or we can write it as the Ag2O. On heating, this is converted into that is oxidation takes place. This is the phenolic OH. This is NO. Amino group is converted into the nitrous O group. This is converted into not like this, phenyl hydroxylamine. This is converted into the nitrous O, this one. Now, nitrous O group, that is phenyl hydroxylamine. Phenyl hydroxylamine gives phenyl hydroxylamine on treatment with this gives that is nitrous O mixture. Plus that is silver. Phenyl hydroxylamine gives the positive tolerance test, not para-amino phenol. This gives the converted nitrosobenzene plus that is silver powder is formed, silver mirror is formed. So this is the something about that is the properties of the nitro group that is attached to this one. See here, the other thing is that remember nitromethane on treatment with the lithium aluminum hydride, nitro group is converted into NH2 group. But if the same nitro group is connected to the benzene ring, that is the nitrobenzene, on treatment with the lithium aluminum hydride, it is giving the azobenzene. This is the electrophilic substitution reactions, ring reactions. SE reactions. See, it contains the aromatic ring. Aromatic ring properties, that is, aromatic ring properties takes part in the electrophilic substitution reaction, not nucleophilic substitution reaction. So now we are talking. We discussed about the reactions related to the NO2 group. Now we are going to discuss about the reactions related to the ring. It is a ring deactivator, you know. I need not tell the deactivator. And that is a meta director. Less reactive than benzene. This is less reactive than benzene. So NO2 is remember NO2 is a strong ring deactivator. Therefore reactivity is very less. That is the tendency of the nitrobenzene to take part in the electrophilic substitution reactions is very less. Therefore it does not take part in the reaction. It is used as a solvent in many organic reactions. Nitrobenzene, the aromatic ring, does not take part in the electrophilic substitution reactions since nitro group is a strong ring deactivator. Hence, it is used as a solvent in many organic reactions. It takes part in the only few, that is electrophilic substitution reactions. Already we discussed all these things. That is NO2 when treated with the nitration, concentrated HNO3 plus concentrated H2SO4 at around 100 degrees Celsius, the dinitration takes place. That is one more nitro group is introduced at the meta position. Dinitrobenzene is formed. So it's an electrophilic substitution reaction on this. And NO2 plus is the attacking electrophile, the mechanism you know. The other one is the concentrated H2SO4, sulfuric acid heat, sulfonation. This is the nitro group, the sulfonic acid group is introduced at the meta position. I told you it is a meta directing group. That is meta nitrobenzene sulfonic acid is formed. And it take part in the halogenation also. Chlorine and that is in the presence of the AlCl3. That is halogenation takes place at meta position. So sulfonation, nitration and halogenation. And Friedel-Crafts reactions are not possible on the nitrobenzene. It is a Friedel-Crafts acylation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation are not possible. Only it takes part in the few, that is electrophilic substitution reactions due to strong ring activating group. NO2 group is deactivating the ring, therefore it is deactivating the ring towards that is electrophilic substitution reactions. All that is Gutterman formylation, all these things cannot be carried. That is, there are many electrophilic substitution reactions, formylation reactions, and that is the Kolbe-Schmidt reaction. That is and carboxylation, all these things are not possible on the nitro. So limited electrophilic substitution reactions are possible on the nitrobenzene. The next one is the moreover it takes part in the nucleophilic substitution reactions. So this is nitro group. If it is heated with the KOH, solid KOH and fuse, then OH group is introduced at the SN reaction at ortho position and para position. So actually sodium salt should form. I'm directly writing that is this. So here SN reaction this is. See, this is a strong ring deactivator. It is decreasing the electron density over the ring and promoting the nucleophile to approach the ring. We normally say that nucleophile is repelled by the benzene ring. Nucleophilic substitution is not possible on the aromatic ring because of the electron density. Here what is happening? That is NO2 group is decreasing the electron density considerably. So under strong conditions fused as solid sodium chloride. So here K3FeCN taken 6 times. This can be used as the catalyst of the reaction. In the presence of the potassium ferricyanide, this is formed. And if it contains that is one more, as the number of nitro groups increases, this is the nitro group, this is the nitro group, that is the nitro group is the deactivating for the electrophilic substitution reactions and activating for the nucleophilic substitution reactions, promoting the nucleophilic substitution reactions. Hence, it is called as the ring deactivator for the electrophilic substitution and ring activator for the nucleophilic substitution reactions. There are two. Heat with the KOH, solid KOH. Fuse. This is nitro group is intact. NO2 here. That is 2,4-nitro phenol plus the other one is, it can go between these two. That percentage is less due to ortho effects. This is formed. These two are formed. We are directly introducing. Suppose if you have that is trinitrobenzene, 3 nitro groups, it does not take part in the electrophilic substitutions. It on heating with the KOH and heat, that is picric acid is formed. Simply picric acid. This is NO2, NO2. This is NO2. I told you this is SN2 reaction through CH bond. Hydrogen is replaced with this one. Now, carbanion intermediate is formed. That is see, even in the case of the, we discussed that if the nitro group is present, this is the case. TNT, I have taken the TNT, trinitrotoluene. This on treatment with the base, what happens? This is carbanion is generated. This is highly acidic. This carbanion is stabilized by the 3 nitro groups present in the ring. So good source of carbanion. Trinitrotoluene is the good source of carbanion. So this does not take part in the nucleophilic substitution reactions, chlorobenzene. Does not take part in the reaction. And if it is forced that take part in the reaction through a benzyme mechanism, chlorine, if the NO2 is present, presence of the NO2 promotes the nucleophilic substitution. Cl can be replaced now by heating with the concentrated KOH or NaOH, that is SN reaction takes place. If you take the trinitrochlorochlorine 2,4,6 trinitro, as the number of nitro groups in the molecule increases, this gives that is even with water, it readily forms the picric acid 2,4,6 trinitro 2 is formed. So halobenzenes take part in the nucleophilic substitution reactions if the halobenzene contains the nitro groups at ortho and para positions with respect to the halogen. As the number of the nitro groups in the halobenzene increases, reactivity increases, readily it can be replaced. So this is picric acid is formed. So therefore it is a use nitrobenzene, no chemical reactions, it is used as a that is a good solvent in the organic reactions.